What is up, guys? Today we are doing another mystery box video, and just like the last one, and we're gonna do one at a time. But except there should be only 2 items inside of this. So let's get to opening it. Here it is.
There are 2 things in there?
Yeah.
Can use the scissors. What do we have?
I see it. No, the box already opened.
Okay.
What?
So this is the first thing. Ooh, we got a little banged up North Pole Advent train.
Diamonds.
And
There's
then,
diamonds.
hold on, let's see.
Diamonds Ultimate Advent Calendar.
This is another advent calendar. These took a while, obviously, to get to us, but we're only going to do one a day, right?
No, I'm going to open up all of them now.
Careful with the scissors. This one's already open, right?
Yeah, like got ripped. Why doesn't it want to open? Yeah.
So these are different stones.
Yeah, they're like different diamonds.
Hold on, wait, slow down. This was in the first one.
Oh my god.
Ooh. This was
It
the
looks like an
second one.
emerald.
Yeah. Well, I was expecting them to actually be like at least like a rock type stone, not like fake plasticky things.
Yeah, it's like fake.
Yeah, they're plastic. That's a bummer. Let me see the third one. They're just like
It's like
little,
the same as that.
yeah, they're just little plastic ones. Well, I guess it's just for the fun of it, and this is AliExpress, so I'll leave the link if you're still interested.
Yeah, this was not worth it.
That's a bummer.
Wait, gold.
We'll have to find something to do with these stones.
Is that? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think this was worth it.
Bummer. So, 1 out of 10?
Yeah. 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10? Not even worth a 1?
Negative 100 out of 10.
Diamonds. Let me see the box.
Yeah.
Diamonds Ultimate.
It doesn't even look like what it is on the box.
Diamonds Ultimate.
This is, look what it shows on the box, and look what it gives us. It gives us plastic stuff.
I thought they were going to be more like stones, like rocks and stuff.
Yeah, that would...
You know, like the mining type
Yeah, that
stuff.
would actually be like a 7 out of 10, but this is like a 0 out of 10.
Yeah, these are all plastic bust. Do you want to check out the train one?
Sure, but at least it looks cool.
We'll figure out something to do with them. We'll figure out something fun to use them. I'm going to open that and see what that one is. Okay, so they have
Oh, it's like
numbers.
another advent calendar. I want to open all of them.
Oh, and it comes where you can like make a little train. That's cute. These are kind of cute.
How do I open you? Oh no.
Oh, what does the front have? Oh, it
2
looks like
stars.
what are they? Just plastic stars? Oh yeah.
What?
This would be pretty disappointing to be opening as an actual advent.
There's nothing even in the second one.
Maybe it slid into the other one.
Oh yeah, maybe that's.
Oh yeah, it was probably one in each one. You could probably open the end and just slide it out, Logan. See, look.
What is this? Santa.
A Santa sticker. That's cute. Little Santa sticker.
Oh, these are actually pretty cool. It has like a little flower, an American flag pin, and a baby.
And a naked baby.
Another naked baby at the end.
Can
of
you
that
show
one.
these?
There's like a little.
Line them up here.
There's like a little. First we got this, then that, then would be this, that, then another, then a naked baby.
Okay, so American flag. This is a pin. That's not too bad. This is a little cute flower and then the baby. So what's, oh, another flower, another baby.
Necklace.
A necklace, little beads. And what is the other thing? A sticker. Can you open up the sticker?
Why is there?
Open up the sticker first.
Two
There's
stickers.
2 stickers. Okay. What stickers can you hold
Christmas tree and a stocking.
on? The Christmas tree and a stocking. Okay. Well, we can always use stickers, I guess, right?
Oh my god.
Another baby and another star.
And some tape.
What kind of tape? Oh, we have some washi tape.
And
Merry
another
Christmas.
rose.
Merry Christmas. And then
Merry Chrysler.
a rose, a little baby. And what sticker is this?
Another baby.
You're going to have a whole baby family here. Another baby. I don't know what we're going to do with all these babies. And a little sticker again. What is this thing? Another star.
Wait,
Lots of babies.
what is this? Wait a minute.
What is it?
Is this like a, what's it called?
A lanyard holder.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
This
a
is
lanyard
cool.
holder. Ooh, careful, don't let that slide off. Slide it back up.
Whoop.
We'll have to.
It would be cool to just like hang this on your pants and just like be running.
Well, you can use it even for when you're at an arcade or something. You can clip your arcade card on it so you don't lose your card.
But where do I clip it?
This opens up and clips onto the card, the arcade card.
Oh, like the little hole?
Yeah. And then you got another flower. And stars. And more stars over there. Can you push the stars? Is that all of them?
Yeah. I don't think this was really worth it.
This one wasn't too worth it either, guys.
Yeah, don't buy this.
So the Pokemon was the best.
Yeah.
So we did get Pokemon advent calendar from AliExpress.
Yeah, but they looked like I don't even know how to explain how they looked. They looked really weird.
But at least that one wasn't a bust, and that one actually came in time for Christmas. This one, these two were pretty much a bust.
Yeah.
Fail. Not worth it, guys. But I'll leave the links in the description box below if you're interested anyway, or if you want to check them out.
Yeah, our first mystery box was way, way better.
Yep, we did do an electronic mystery box if
Wait,
you're interested.
you can buy electronic ones?
Yeah, you buy an electronic mystery box, which is what we did last time.
I want to do another electronic one because I do not like.
Okay, if you guys are interested, give us a thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up if you want to see another electronic unboxing, and we can order one of those. It might take a little while, but it'll get to us eventually.
POV, your train just crashes. Turns out, inside of the front of a train, it's just cardboard and white. So if you go to a train, you should just be able to bend off the front and like put a tear. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.
Thumbs up. Just don't forget to subscribe. No thumbs down.
Yeah, this was not worth it.